Dr. Bob is, I want to say, my 6th dentist in Santa Cruz. After a lot of procedures in a lot of places, I was looking for somebody that made me more comfortable. I had some problems with not necessarily the people at other dentists, but just the overall experience. I felt like I wasn't being treated, I guess, the way that I wanted to be. So I started looking around and came in here and pretty much liked it after the first go around. I mean, all the people are amazing here, and yeah, I was a big fan of the sedation dentistry. I want to be feeling as little as possible, so that was definitely one of the draws to come here.
No, I had complete dental anxiety, so pretty much neglected my teeth most of my adult life. I'd had really bad experiences as a child, and it was a huge deal for me to come to a dentist, and it was a big obstacle for me to get past in my life. And I just kind of went in with blind faith that it would all work out, and I'm so happy I did.
It just felt right, you know. I felt really confident. It felt like he knew exactly what he was doing, and I didn't feel any bit of a doubt or, you know. I mean, he's very straightforward. I like his very straightforward attitude. And also, you know, there's something about being young. You know, some people say that's inexperience, but I think it's also having, having the latest and greatest techniques, having your finger on, you know, the newest, technology, and I really appreciate that.
My confidence in my dental implant is, well, I'm a retired teacher. I would say it's definitely at the A level. I don't have any doubts about it. The process was pain-free, and I feel more confident with the implants in my mouth than I did with my tippy bridge that I used to have.
The implant process has been easy money. This week I'm scheduled for the last step in the process to actually get the crowns put on the implant posts, and then I will be finished. But from the extraction process, which was a little tough because the tooth that needed to be extracted was in there pretty good, to the bone grafting and the placement of the posts, and the impression has all been handled well, and it's been quite easy.
Everything has been on the plus side. There hasn't been any complications. Chewing is better, I look better. It's all the way around, it's a win-win situation.
It was excellent service, care, everything, the best.
I found the sedation dentistry that Dr. Bob offers is just amazing. My whole life I've gotten just nothing but shots, and there was a lot of pain involved. And with the sedation, the time just went by, and just listened to music. Next thing I knew, I was walking out with brand new teeth, and it was just amazing. The lack of fear that's involved when you're sedated like that. Instead of laying there with your mouth open and hearing a drill the whole time, it's amazing.
He's done quite a bit of work on my mouth, fixing fillings, caps and stuff, but this last time I got all my teeth redone, a bunch of new caps and stuff. It's actually in the process right now of finishing it. I haven't got the finished product, but I'm just really happy with how it's gone so far. Smiling a lot more than I was before, that's for sure.
I just really felt like a good vibe. Like, it's very welcoming as soon as you come in. All the receptionists are really nice, and all the other dentists and dental assistants are really welcoming. And it was just a very gentle, welcoming environment. I feel like I still kind of had anxiety just because I was going to the dentist. But then as soon as I got here, I felt much better about it, and I was just like, okay, as soon as I walked in, I just felt like everything was going to be okay.
He works very well with the other people in his office that come in and, are on the other side of the chair and doing well. They work well together. Or if I'm having them cleaned and she wants him to look at something, it works out, flows very, very well.
Well, you're always concerned about the cost, but again, with dental insurance and payment plans and everything that he's offered, you can't afford not really to invest in your smile and your whole self-confidence and your whole being is improved. I have 11 implants, and so I have a whole new, I had nothing, and now I have everything.
I mean, you really can't put a price on being able to smile, and like I said, it makes such a difference in your life, in everything that you do, whether it's, you know, seeing my family that I haven't seen in a while. I'm so happy to like smile, and they say, well, what? Something's different about you, you know, they can tell right off the bat, and then, you know, you can't put a price on it, put it that way, to be able to smile and not feel, you know, self-confident about it, you know, you don't feel that, are they staring at my teeth, you know, now that you feel like, I hope they're staring at my teeth because I feel pretty good about them. I really couldn't put a price on how it's changed my life and how confident it makes me feel.
If you talk to other folks that have considered implants or that have had implants, the first thing that people usually want to mention is the out-of-pocket costs. And I was very fortunate, and I'm very grateful to the doctor, because I was unemployed when I began this process, and I was able to work out some financing with the doctor that was able to reduce my out-of-pocket cost and allow him to do his work efficiently to reduce his cost and pass it on to myself as a patient.
When I come in, they know my name, and I don't have much of a wait, and then when I'm sitting there, I don't have to sit in the room and wait for them to take care of my teeth. They promptly do it.
I mean, I didn't think that dentistry would have such a big influence on my life. I mean, for sure. I mean, as I say, to get a second chance when you've had it, man, I did it to myself a lot. I mean, just poor hygiene over the years, and that was on me, you know. And now I'm listening to Dr. Bob now.
Yeah, I'm really happy. Absolutely. I would like tell anybody the same thing, that you can't lose on this. It's an investment for life. And life's short. Enjoy it and get the most out of it.
There are all kinds of dentists in the world, and not many of them are the caliber of Dr. Bob. I feel very lucky to be a patient of his.